Holy maracas!
Oh, hi. I'm Big Bird.
Huh. No kidding.
I'm a friend of Kermit's.
Oh.
Yeah, we both come from the same neighborhood, Sesame Street.
Oh. Isn't that cute little children's show with puppets?
Uh-huh. Well, who are you?
Who am I? I am Miss Piggy.
Oh. Well, do you work around here?
Listen, yellow thing. Do you see this star here?
Oh, yes. It's very pretty.
And, do you know why it is there?
Well, perfect attendance?
I am the singing star of this show.
A singing pig? That's very funny.
Kiss your feathers goodbye, bird.
Ah, you do acrobatics, too.